Sienna's babies are now 5 weeks old. These are the two that are still available. The natural mink girl and the brown McTavian white boy. Sitting on the nice heated blanket here. It's about time to cuddle up, maybe play a little. Here's the natural mink boy. Come here. Your mama's over here eating. And here's the natural mink girl. These two already have homes. But we'll say hi, huh? Playtime. There you go. Little one. You two are sitting pretty over here. Are you tired of playing? We've been sitting here playing on the floor for a while. I think these two are tuckered out. The other two aren't. They're running amok. Come here. Jump. Climbing all over me. Come on. You two are just being too quiet over here. Here comes Mom checking things out. Say hi, Sienna. This is a little girl. And there goes her brother. They're going to get a bath here if they get too close. He's going to check out the scratching post. Nap time over here. Yeah, you need to get down. Here. They are all over the place now. Using the litter box and eating food. You guys are wrestling here. Let's get down. Well, I think this little boy, the brown tabby I've been calling Tally, is going to take a nap. And so is his sister, maybe. Here. She's going to try to get him awake. Let's play. Brother's running around here. just doesn't want to play right now. Got one over here eating my shoestring. Yes, she is. Up under the bed. Running again. Gonna chase Mom. Get Mom's tail. You better go getting all the fun over here. You're missing out. Where are you going? Tally's about gone. Lay down a warm blanket, you just can't resist a nap. Good night, Tally. This one I've been calling Chevy. He'll get a new name. Hi, buddy. You say hi to Mom? Say hi to Mom and Dad. Yeah. And here's your sister. Yeah. And here is the one that still needs a home. Hop down, baby. Yeah, hi. Well, I think we're going to let him wind down and take a nap. More later.